The smart sliding door provides a hands-free convenience, automatically opening when you're holding a child or carrying items in both hands. As you approach the power sliding door detection zone with the smart key, the hazard warning lights will flash and a beep will sound. If you remain in the detection zone for more than 3 seconds, the power sliding door will automatically open. To cancel the power sliding door operation while the hazard lights and beeps are active, briefly press any of the following buttons on your smart key: door lock, unlock, tailgate open close, or remote start. You can enable or disable the smart sliding door feature through the infotainment system by navigating to Settings, Vehicle, Doors, Smart Sliding Door.